Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about you arbitrary keywords argument. What is arbitrary keyword arguments? It's a very important when you already have seen a video that is a arbitrary arguments when the number of arguments is unknown. If you don't know how many number of arguments are going to be passed, then you have to go for the arbitrary. In the function, there is a arbitrary keyword arguments. In this video, I am going to tell about you how arbitrary keyword arguments is going to be work. If you do not know how many keyword arguments are going to be work by if you have an unknown number of keyword arguments, then you have to go for the arbitrary keyword arguments by adding two asterisk before the parameter of the particular name of the function identifier. In this way, you will receive a dictionary of arguments and can access items accordingly. And arbitrary keyword arguments are often shorthand to the keyword argument in Python documentation, already given and defined how that particular keyword arguments is going to be defined. Def, and there is the name, and inside the name there is a two asterisk, then keyword argument args. Fine. Then colon, then print your first name is colon space comma keyword args, okay, of name, f name. Okay, how could you know? If you're passing the name f name equal to quantity and L name equal to keypad. Okay, now when you are going to run it, okay, here f name is not defined. Okay, this is a dictionary value, this is the dictionary value, so you have to define like this. Okay, so here return you quantity, so here return the quantity, the first name. If you go given as a L name, fine. If you declare as a L name, then what is the dictionary value? Then Control Alt N, that's a define your keypad. Okay, this is the keyword argument. F name is the quantity, L name is the keypad, the quantity keypad. So this is the arbitrary keyword arguments. You can handle the keyword number of keyword arguments if it not defined, or if you are even unknown how many number of arbitrary or keyword arguments are generally going to be declared. Fine. So f name quantity, L name keypad. In this way, you can access through dictionary value. Okay, this is the dictionary value. Fine. Understood how arbitrary keyword arguments are generally used. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. And please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button and bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.